How's it going, everybody? Just got this box in from rc4wd a couple days ago. I've been kind of waiting to get some time to open it up. You guys have seen the new 4Runner body. I haven't seen anybody really giving you a good look at the inside, opening them up. So we're going to do that for you. Super cold in Michigan today. Coldest it's been in forever. Surviving it though. Got the heater going. Alright, there we go. Got here factory seal. Oh, you get a little the scale, the ultimate RC product. That's kind of a cool little flyer they got there now. Alright, well there it is. The rc4wd 1985 Toyota 4Runner hard body complete set. Get in there, package in there. Box is pretty bland, just brown. We do have a sweet new official rc4wd factory seal, so you know that no one's ever been in this guy. Oh. Get some of the stuff out of here. Quite a bit of stuff, seems like. Got your instruction manual, some little goodies in here, some bolts, some screws, full sticker kit for it, got license plates, badging, things like that. Wipers, dash, interior, shifters, kind of cool. Actually finally going to do two shifters for you, one with the 4-wheel drive, one for the actual shifter. Tailgate. It's all RC 4-wheel drive quality stuff. Your windshields, windows, headlights, tail light lenses, side windows, more headlights. The main body here does have the removable topper. Your main body is here. Just slide that out. Oh, you got a hood, some grill pieces, interiors packed up underneath. There's footwells, floorboards, front seats, back seats, your doors. Quite an extensive kit. But yeah, this body looks pretty cool. Can't wait to get the new chassis in for it. It'll look ultimate. Well, there it is, guys, in all its glorious little pieces. Hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned. We'll be getting this thing built up here over the winter.